Alright everybody, welcome to the video. This video we are going to try, and I really mean try, to get the motor assembled. Heads, intake, fuel injection system, start working on the exhaust. We're going to try to get it all because I want to try to get this motor started, get it broke in, get it running, so then we can start working on the rest of the stuff. So first thing we got to do though, so first thing we got to do is trim some of this out of the way so the head will fit on. So we're going to get a body saw out and cut a lot of this out, so hopefully we can slide the heads on. Alright, well, I got it all trimmed out, got all that cut out of the way. Looks like plenty of room, but it's not. It's the, I ain't even like gonna get it out and show you, but the head is hitting the brake booster, so I'm gonna have to take the brake booster off, redo all of it, and basically I'll be doing manual brakes on this. I can't remember the company right off the top of my head that sells the conversion for this to run it on manual brakes. So, but I wanted to do it anyways because I want to get rid of the anti-lock brake system and all of that, which is all of this setup right here, and then all of this and all of that. So basically we're getting rid of a lot more weight. So go to get underneath the dash to unbolt the brake pedal, and there's a nice little panel here covering everything. Well, first step, I guess we're gonna have to remove this whole panel that goes all the way from one side to the other. Makes it look nice, but gotta go. Well, the one thing about a car with most of the interior stripped out makes it easy to lay on the floor and get under the dash. Alright, well, there's a clip right here, and then the 4 bolts right here, and then the master cylinder and all that should just, and the booster should just come right off. Alright, so I got it loose from inside the firewall, which pain in the butt to video, so I just didn't. Then I dropped my wrench. Now just take the brake lines off, and then we should be able to start pulling all this out of the way. Alright, so both of those are off. There's just connections everywhere on this. Alright, more stuff to disconnect. So I need to disconnect this one right here, which is to this thing, whatever this is. And then we should be good to go. Maybe. I don't know. And drop the wrench again. Well, I will tell you now, with this out of the way, plenty of clearance. Alright, so I got it out. Just more connections, and more of this and more of that, so, but it's out. Then next I'm going to trim more of this panel off right here. Kind of clean this up and get it all cut back so it's almost flush with the firewall. And then trim off some of this right here. Kind of round it to match the shock tower. That'll pretty much clean this area up, and then I can start putting the heads on. Alright, so I got all of this trim back along the shock tower and all around here, so now there's plenty of room to put the heads on. So, and I know, here's my aluminum heads, and I know some of the issues with these kind of motors is they do overheat. So what I did is I opened up these holes right here for better water flow because they're sealed up so good. I'm going to copper spray the gaskets because it's a little bit sticky, helps them adhere a little bit better. Might be hard to see, but a nice little light coat on there, nothing major. Alright, so I got the heads on. Here's my only problem that I just didn't even think about is the nuts for the head studs. 12 point. Not a big issue. Not a big issue at all, except I only have 12 point metric. These are American. So it wobbles just a bit, and well, needless to say, I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna get them pretty tight. I'm gonna try to torque them down, but I might be going to the store to pick up some American 12 points. Like, all right, so I got the heads all torqued down. Did them in the 3 increments like supposed to. No big issues. All right, now we're gonna get the electric water pump on, get that sealed all up. So let's go ahead, run our Beta RTV around this, if I can get it to work. pain in the butt. There it goes. Alright, let's get it around. Don't have enough room for everything. Alright. Let's run RTV around this again on this side of the gasket. This is always like a messy job. Just hope you always get it right. It's always so dang messy. Of course, I dropped a screw somewhere. That's one of the ones I need for this. Alright, I went ahead and wrapped it up, some of it, because it was just getting to be a nightmare. So, went ahead, tightened a lot of stuff down, bolted some stuff on permanently. Water pumps on permanently, heads are on. The intake manifold is just sitting on there, so basically everybody get the idea what it's going to look like. Only thing, see if we can, with the filter on it, I don't know if we'll be able to get it on camera, but the filter hits the hood. We take the filter off. Hood shuts perfectly. So I need to figure out what to do. Either modify the hood or find a lower profile filter. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find a lower profile filter than this one. Well, my battery went dead as I was finishing up the video yesterday, so finish it up right now. Next video on this will be wrapping up the motor, getting the intake manifold bolted down, lifters, roller rockers, all that kind of stuff, putting the exhaust on, and starting to wire up the fuel injection system. That's going to be the next video. So, catch you in the next one.